missed the Ghetto show because that thing was shooting out over there. It's downpoured. Now every time you want to do something around here, the weather just sucks. I'd rather live out in the desert where it never fucking rains. Look at this, booming. That is like so loud. Here we go, we got this. That's my water supply. Double-ended Ghetto hose. Leaks, humid as hell. Yeah, I did like a whole repair on this thing. I didn't really make much videos on it. But now I can't really see if it's leaking because we have water literally everywhere in there because I had to fucking downpour right when I wanted to do it. But you know, that's just how it is in condo land. It's the worst place. But my seal is not leaking under there. They RTV'd it all around it. My tub was not cracked. I get a new tub for 70 bucks. The repair place wanted like 150 for a tub. My tub's still okay though. And yeah, I put a new piece in there. That was like 80 bucks. This needs a bearing. I figured out how to change only the bearing afterwards, so that's cool. Maybe I'll fix the old one. And yeah, I guess it works. Yeah, I forgot when you have this, there's no flapper valve on that drain, so that drain has to go up and over the highest level or else your thing just drains back into your drain. Like if you let that drain hose on the ground, you're doing nothing. You're just filling it. And then it's over there. And this dog wants to play light because it's stupid. There we go. It thinks it's a cat. What? I don't know. This is such a shitty place, condo world, seriously. But there it is. It's funny when that was shooting out though. My phone takes about... It's got to go in the house though after it's repaired and dried out. It's only been out here for like a month. Backup washing machine repaired. Yeah, I had to take a whole tub out. There's videos on a whole tub. It's not really that hard. I gotta sell some extra stuff. It's all rusted in the bottom too and shit from getting wet all the time. This floor was all caved in too. It was rubbing on my pulley. I had to smash it out because trucking it around, I dented it. Yeah, it's dry though on there. That's not coming out. No drippies on the bearing. It drips down that shaft over there. And it just pours out into the bearing and nothing's really happening now. So that's good. I don't see anything. Nope. Just on the motor and everything else were downpoured. Let's see if it goes on a hyper spin cycle. I reused the old belt too. I greased the original tub bearing, like it's more like a bushing. I just put some bearing grease on it. That was like squeaking when it got wet. It should be okay. Working machine, 2013. Oh, there comes this thing. It wants to go fly out again. Should go on spin cycle soon. Ah, lovely place. That's why nothing gets done. The weather just sucks here. And I didn't make much of a video because it was like 130 degrees outside when I fixed this thing. Rinse. That's gonna fill up again. Drain and spin. At least it agitates and all that. And yeah. Fun. This is the first time I did this shit outside, but it's condo land. This place is all messed up. And there's a lady laughing at you, remember when it broke? You know, I fixed it like 3 times now. And I noticed the repair dude, or one of them that had this thing apart. There was like about 3 different people who came with this thing. One of these, this little hose over here, the pressure valve hose, has a little plastic piece. I had it dangling down. And I think that might have been one of the causes when it overflowed once. There was too much of a downward loop in it, but whatever, it happens. Overlook stuff, I do it all the time. I gotta paint this shit. I was gonna paint it when I had it all apart. And it should be good to go. Yeah. It's all banged up when the weight fell off in the back. This thing is used and abused, but it works. For, I don't know what I got into it, like 90 bucks. Oh my god, it's going on. Is it? Yeah, drain and spin. It's going on the high speed thing. Turboing up. That's my old belt. I should have really put a new belt on this thing, but I wanted to be cheap and not spend $9 extra. It's gonna fly off and kill me. Nope, that's 1 speed. It goes faster. No sounds. No wobbling. Goes even faster. Turbo mode. Quiet. See, it's all going wild because there's no load in it. If there's load, it would be more quiet. That's a working machine again. Only took me a month to fix it. No crazy noises. This is as good as the repair guy can do it. And thanks to, what was his name? He has a YouTube channel, Durwood. It was this guy Durwood who fixed this thing. He doesn't work for the company anymore. But, yeah, he broke it down and I watched, and I definitely learned from them because I figured, I kind of remembered what they did. It's not very hard. I even got better tools now than I did years ago, so very easy. Only trouble I had was putting that belt back on. And I made a video, I gotta upload how I RTV'd the seal. I went all around the actual seal. This is seal, I don't know, somewhere over there it fell. There it is in the ground over there, the old seal. It's all rusted. But I went around the seal with RTV. Cause it fit tight in there, but I wanted it like kind of glued, so I put Right Stuff RTV all around the edge. And I put a light bead on top of it, so really like nothing can get past it except for the middle. Leaks again, you know, the tub cracks. I'll just get a tub, 70 bucks for a tub. Put another seal in. No big deal. Only expensive thing is that motor. It's like 200 bucks and the thing is done. Quiet though. And it should. Brake works. Cool. It's tested. Alright, add this on the list. Appliance technician. Bicycle repair guy. Porter. Car repair.